Now let's take a look at standard deviations and variance. This is the definitions of variance. Variance is equals to summation of x minus mean, this is mean, holding bracket square divided by n. And standard deviation is equals to square root of variance. Alright, in statistics there are two types of data, namely ungrouped data and group data. Both of these two types of data, they have their own formula to look for standard deviations and variance. Alright, let's take a look at the ungrouped data first. For standard deviation in ungrouped data, the standard deviation is equals to summation of x squared divided by n minus mean square. Alright? Whereas the variance is square of standard deviations. Is equals to summation of x squared over n minus mean square. Notice that these two formula, the only difference is the square root. Square root is removed from the variance formula. Alright? And where the mean is equals to summation of x over n. Alright? This is the mean over here. Next, let's take a look at group data. In group data, the standard deviation is equals to summation of fx squared. F stands for frequency. X stands for the midpoint of the group data. Over summation of f, summation of frequency, meaning all the frequency added up minus mean square. Alright? And the whole thing square root, then we get standard deviations. And for variance is square of standard deviations. It's the same as this one, just that remove the square root. Alright? Variance is equal to summation of fx squared. F is frequency, x is midpoint, over summation of x, summation of f. So meaning all the frequency we sum up minus mean square. In group data, mean is equal to summation of fx, frequency multiply the midpoint over summation of f. Then sometimes we are given a questions in group data that we are given in a frequency table. Alright? When for the ungrouped data that is given in frequency table, you can use the group data formula, which is there's a frequency in this formula.